We'll guide you through how to share Google Drive files and folders. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Drive is a great way of sharing files and folders. You may already have files and folders in there you want to do this with, or you've got some on your computer you want to go and share. We'll guide you through how this can be done, and you can go and share it with lots of people or just one person. It doesn't matter. So we're going to guide you through what you need to know in this video. To get started, go and open up a web browser, and we need to go and head to Google Drive. I'm going to use Chrome so we can open it up. You can go to the top right of google.com, press the Google Apps button and press Drive, or just go and type in the address bar drive.google.com and you'll get there. What you can also do is once you're here is you can go to the top right and you can go and press your profile icon and you can change between different Google accounts if you've got them. Perhaps you've got a personal, perhaps you've got a work one. Now locate the file or folder you want to share if it's already on here. If it isn't, you can go to the top left and you can go and press new. I'm going to create a new folder, so I'll press new folder. I'm going to name this to share like so, then press create. Then what you can do is you can go and double click on it and it will open up. Now what I'm going to do is go and upload the file or files we want to go and share. I'll do some images and I'll press open. So they're now uploading. We'll just go and wait for them to complete. Now, if you want to go and share them, what you need to do is you need to go and click on either the folder name or the three dots in the top right of the file, or you can right click, you'll get the same options. And what you want to do is hover over share. If it's a folder, you can click on the folder name, go down and hover over share and press share as well. Go and click on share like so, and you'll then go and get this pop-up. So at the top, you can go and share it with specific people, which is great if it's a bit more private. So you can start typing in a name or email and you'll get some suggestions. I'll select this one here, for example. You can then go to the right and you can choose the permissions, whether that's viewer, commenter, or editor. So choose what you want. For example, if it was an editor within the whole folder, they could start uploading their own files amongst other things as well. You can add a message as well. And then what you can do is you can go and press send. So that's just for that one person there. They're then going to receive an email regarding it. Now, if you want to create a link, which is what I like to do, because then I can easily share it with people, press the name again, hover over share and click share. Then you can go down to general access. At the moment, only people with access can open the link. If we click on restricted, you can choose it to anyone with the link. Now we can press copy link. You can go to the right and choose permissions. It's just set to viewer. I could set it to edit it if I wanted to, if it's lots of people. Then I could press copy link. Now we can give that to people. For example, if somebody comes to that link, they'll go and get taken to the folder as we can see here. And that's it. So now they can go and start accessing and downloading the files. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again with more useful guides like this in the future.